Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam Port Trust Chairman Shri K. Ram Mohan Rao, IAS, convener for Special Session 8 on investment opportunities in Andhra Pradesh to explore the investment opportunities for national and international investors in Andhra Pradesh maritime sector in connection with MIS 2021. And live streaming section on ease of doing business, coastal based shipping, interland connectivity, and multimodal logistics. In plenary section 5, 3rd March 2 p.m., Mr. Ki Chin Nam, Chief Executive Officer of Bhushan Port Authority, and Mr. Vincent D. Sadler, Honorary Vice President of Jibruji, talk on port-led industrialization, building port cities and maritime clusters. Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Joint Secretary Sagarmala and PPP, will talk on investment scenario and opportunities for the industry in major ports during plenary section 5 today March at 2 p.m. In breakout section 5 today 3rd March at 2 p.m. MS Camille Egloff, Managing Director and Senior Partner, BCG Anten's Globe Transportation and Logistics Leader, will take on a green and sustainable maritime sector. Managing Director, Port of Amsterdam International, and RTN, Director General, Port Authority of Thailand, Port of Thailand, will talk on port-led industrialization, building port cities and maritime clusters in plenary section 5 today. Denmark in India. Honorable Minister for Port and Shipping and Waterways, Mansukh Mandavia, gave the introductory speech. Here CEOs from all over the world within the maritime sector participated to get valuable insight into the market. Dr. Hardeep Singh Puri, Honorable Minister, said that India has a coastline of more than 7,500 kilometers, a large number of dams and river ports, 200 small ports and 13 major ports. That is a huge potential for seaplane operations in India. Mohammad Mazhauddin Chowdhury, Secretary Shipping, Government of Bangladesh, Ambassador Mr. Doraiswamy, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, Mr. Ajay Singh, Chairman and Managing Director, Fly Spice Jet, talked on water transport promoting cargo and passenger movement. Seaplane tourism in plenary section 4 today. Deen Dayal Port Trust, during the opening address in breakout section 5, Shri S.K. Mehta emphasized on collaboration and investment on green and sustainable maritime sector. He highlighted on investment opportunities in setting up solar and wind energy parks. Deen Dayal Port Trust Chairman Shri S.K. Mehta invited Mr. Ingvar M. Matson, Port Director and CEO of the Port or CEO of Port of Oslo, to share his thoughts. Mr. Matson highlighted about the climate budget, reduction in CO2 emission, zero emission actions, e-operating with fossil-free energies, etc. And also Mr. Madhu S. Nair and MD Cochin Shipyard, convener of Breakout Section 5, invited Mr. Christian Sovik, Senior Vice President Sales, Corvus Energy, to make green and sustainable maritime sector. New Mangalore Port Trust, Dr. A.V. Ramana, Chairman, conveyed on opportunities in maritime financing and insurance, along with Mr. Dilip Kumar, MD, Sagarmala, and Chairman and Managing Director, SCI, MS H.K. Joshi. Inland Waterway Authority of India, Ministry of Shipping, Government of India, participated in the MIS plenary section 4. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.